The season of giving is upon us, and many of you have asked how you can support our community. Ways to get involved: it is completely optional and always appreciated. The giving tree for classroom. The idea for the items that helps and enhance classroom experiences, such as Kleenex, markers, decorative tape, pen and pencils. The giving tree will be located in the main school area. You participate, simply choose a leaf with an item and drop it off at the office. Food bank donations. We invite families to bring the food bank donation as part of our winter donations. Your contributions help support local families in need. Simply drop all your donations in the donation box. Student support. So hi students, all of you know about the giving season. Soon you all will see an option on school online payments to help subsidize items like pizza and subs for students who may need assistance. This is a great way to ensure every child can participate. Please share with your parents so they can help students in need. Thank you all.